Hi, Renee Horner with Mooresville Realty. Thanks for joining me on this virtual tour this morning. We're here at 162 Digh Circle in Mooresville, North Carolina, and we're going to tour this two-story basement house today. It sits on about 0.8 acres and is actually a waterfront home, so you get the benefits of living on Lake Norman. Now the house is a little over 5,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 5.5 bath, so it's really large. We're only going to tour the first floor, but if you would like to see this house in more detail, just private message me and we'll set up a virtual appointment, or we can try to meet in person. This house is listed for $724,000. If this isn't or doesn't meet your criteria, just let me know and I'll be happy to send you other homes that might be better suited for you. But let's go ahead and take a look. I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised at how large this house is. Upon entry, you can see we've got a 2-story foyer and great room. Look at all that natural light. To your left will be a formal dining space, one of many entertaining areas. And to our right, we have a master bedroom and one of several guest spaces. As we continue in, you'll see this beautiful stairway leading up stairs to the second level. And again, while it's only a 4-bedroom, there's plenty of additional spaces that could be used for sleeping areas. Lots of natural light in here. Beautiful 2 stories. Going on into this kitchen, this is an entertainer's dream to have all of this counter space, this large expansive island, gourmet stovetop over there. And look at this dining or informal dining area. I don't think I've ever sat at a table, and I come from a large family, ever sat at a table with this many chairs. If we go out onto the deck, you're going to love suddenly being in nature. How surprising it is to be so close to Mooresville amenities, but to come out here and just feel like you're at your own little private oasis. You can hear the trees, or you can hear the birds, see the trees, and through the trees there is Lake Norman, your own floating dock and private gazebo, and there's about 100 square feet of waterfront down there that belongs to you. And here's that private path that would lead you down to the water. As we go back in, we'll take one quick look again at this space. We'll take it from a different angle so you can just see how large this is. There we go. I think you would agree that this place is an entertainer's dream. This would be perfect for any family, especially if you have a lot of extended family or friends that you entertain. Or in the case of the current owners, they use this as a vacation rental. If you'd like more information on this house, please contact me directly.